One click to solve all severe acne on face for motive images. Go to Batch Auto. Select Premium Smooth Skin. Increase the amount to 100% for severe blemishes on subject's face. Done. The AI will analyze and fix all the defects automatically so you don't have to do any further actions. There you go. It's a really amazing tool. You can solve all your photos within seconds. Obviously, the skin's texture may not really good compared to other tools on SunnySide panel. But when it comes to the hard photo with serious blemishes, this feature is really a perfect tool for you. SunnySide, your editing photo solution. Make sure you only press on the skin, not to the edge where the contrast is visible. There you go. One step only for editing beauty photo. Use Smooth Skin AI tool. Adjust the eclipse shape to fill all the subject face. Enter to run the process. The tool will calculate to smoothen and remove skin defects. After processing, layer mask created by the tool appear. Use Photoshop brush tool and pick white color. Change the suitable brush size to the face, then brush. Make sure you only press on the skin, not to the edge where the contrast is visible. There you go. The changes are completely blow my mind. This tool is so much handy for a photographer when dealing with beauty photos. You don't have to spend tons of time for using dodge and burn anymore. Adjust the opacity if you want to apply to the area near the edges. Before, after. Amazing, right? The skin texture is still intact for you. It still looks real and natural. Easy peasy. Sorry, your editing photo solution.